Hannah from Destined for Adventure. This is my van, Marshmallow. We are currently in Monterrey, Mexico. You can't really see because of the tree, but Cerro de la Silla, which is the iconic mountain of Monterrey, is there behind me. I am living in this van full-time. I've been living in it full-time for about 3 weeks now with my pets, which there are a lot of them. As I work online and travel, I haven't started the traveling bit yet. I've literally been parked in front of my old apartment for the last 3 weeks. And unfortunately, I found out I'm going to be parked here a little bit longer because I have to take care of some more paperwork for the van that I didn't realize had expired. So I'm going to be here a little bit longer, but I'm going to give you guys a van tour and tell you a little bit about the costs of what van life kind of getting started has been for me. There's so many different ways to do van life. It can look like so many different things. This is just what's worked for my budget and like what I've felt comfortable with. You can certainly do it more expensive, less expensive, but let's get into it. So this is Marshmallow, a 1998 Chevy Express van. It was actually made in the US and imported to Mexico legally 2000 something, like 10 years ago or so, by somebody else. And I bought it from someone here in Monterrey and I registered it. I made a video about how I registered it. It's not easy to do as a tourist, but it is possible. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the front section and then the back section. I've got the cats out at the park right now. So there's Ocho, there's Anteline. The other two are around here somewhere. I'm going to show you guys the front section, which is the cat section, and then, oh, there they are. Chantique and Seni. I'll show you the front section, and then I'll show you the back section. I literally have not really picked it up today, so this is the real van life. This isn't like some glamorous whatever. This is my real life. Welcome. Well, everyone, welcome to the front of my van. Here we have the cat section. We have a big litter box. Behind it is a scooper, a cat bed. Usually this is flipped down, but it's not right now. There's Chico. I have a blanket instead of a seat cover because seat covers are not in my budget right now. And this is like their food and water station. Yeah, it's kind of a mess. Dog bowls. This is the Vittles vault for the dog food, Vittles vault for the cat food. I got baking soda, hand sanitizer, cat toy. This is my cooler. Cat bed. As you can see, I have to keep my sleeping stuff up here because the dogs destroy everything. So my sleeping bag, my pillow. Let me step up so I can show you the driver's side. Don't mind the growling, they're just playing, they're not fighting. Another blanket, another bed and blanket. Sometimes they like to sleep on the floor, so I have that there. This is my laundry bag with my laundry in it. So it's just a very functional van. It's also very dirty, so I'm sorry, but I'm living with a lot of animals right now, so it is what it is, guys. This is my real life. Welcome. I'll show you the back now. I always enter just from this side door. Chico. Because if I open the back doors, it's going to be chaos, and all my stuff will fall out. So I'll show you guys. Welcome to the back of my van. It is a mess. It is a really cold day. I have the curtains down, so it's going to be kind of hard to show you guys everything because I don't have someone else recording this. But as you can see, this is my bed with my 3 dogs. Chico's here. And the bed is actually 3 parts. It's a bench that with a switch converts to a bed. And so I just keep it in the bed position. I wanted a non-moving bed anyway, a permanent bed anyways. And then, let's see, it's going to be kind of hard to show you because I have to go on my knees to cross the bed. But yeah, I used to have a foam mattress topper here, but they destroyed it. So I just have, that's the actual bench seat. It's actually comfortable. It's just where it connects. Like you can see there and there. That part's not that comfortable. So I just have a comforter on top of it, which I'm parked at an angle. So you can see that it's sliding down. 2 dog beds with their blankets that they take off. They've already busted a bunch of the curtains, including that one. Eventually, I'm going to get some Reflectix. Back in the back there, I guess I'll just show you. It'll be easier. So back here, I have just all my clothes are here. Hi, Brisa. What is Brisa doing? Hi, Pana. Yeah. Everyone wants to ambush me. These faces. They always want to be right where I am. So here, I just have all my clothes. I have just a bunch of these. Okay. A bunch of these storage cubes, packing cubes, sorry, and that's where all my clothes are, except for whatever's dirty. I have like some dog toys are on this side underneath. You can see them there. And yeah, this cup holder. It's really chaotic in here having all these animals in this small space. Hopefully when we can move to a place that has, you know, somewhere that's not near traffic and I can let them out more. But over here, I've got some coins from some of the different places I've traveled to. Up in here, I've got like, this is like my hair stuff, some like seasonal stuff like mosquito repellent, sunblock, just some extra beauty stuff like extra razors, like my little travel, what I like fly with, my travel carry-ons, because I usually only fly with carry-on. I put these stickers up just to kind of have something, I don't know, lively, and I put some postcards. With the stickers, I just put them up with tape because I don't want to actually stick on the wood. Here I have just more beauty stuff. This is like my nail polish and makeup. I don't even know what this stuff is. I don't know. Just like some extra beauty supplies and like hygiene stuff that I don't use that often. And this tub has a ton of stuff in it. It's gonna be hard to show you. It's a mess. Everything, it's just a mess. But you can kind of peek underneath and see I've got like cleaning supplies, paper towels, toilet paper, like food and snacks. I've got this crate that has a cat bed inside. This is like my desk. It's just a box. There's the generator that is, it is locked into the seat. I've got like a plastic bottle that I use for a pee bottle over there. Got backpacks, my electronics cables, an empty water jug. It's just a lot of stuff. Hooks. Down here on the floor, I have the garrafon of water that I haven't opened yet. There's the cooler from the front, dog water. So I pour the garrafon into smaller containers like this one and this one. Makes it a lot easier for washing my hair, washing dishes, stuff like that. Up in here is like my daily stuff. So if I'm gonna shower, I've got shampoo, conditioner, body wash, like other daily hygiene stuff. My pee funnel, which I use to pee in the bottle. And then over here, I have my Christmas tree, just some different supplements, and my towel, deodorant, toothpaste, a medication the dogs are taking, baby wipes, like extra lotion, stuff like that. This is my gasoline that I use for the generator. So when I'm driving, it's not going to be there, obviously, but for right now, just to keep it near the window, I keep the window open all the time. It's only open a little bit, but and then I double bag this just to keep the fumes inside. This is my trash can / toilet. If I have to go number 2, I'll just double bag it here and go, and then I will tie it up and take it out right away. And I have baking soda in there too. And the rest of the time it just serves as a trash can. This is all my pet supplies. I have everything in there. Like, yeah, it's a mess. It's foam from my bed. Yeah, welcome to my life. Meanwhile, anyway, I have, like their leashes, poop bags, like, I don't know. Everything that the pets might need is there. And then, oh gosh, this is a mess too. I have like dog treats, my notebook with my to-do list for today, a big jar of peanut butter. These are my dirty dishes that I need to wash. These are some snacks that I just bought and the dogs were getting into, like my mask, extension cords. These are kind of like my junk drawers up here. So this is my van, guys. This is welcome to my van life. So I hope you guys enjoyed the van tour. I know it's kind of crazy because I can't really like show myself while I'm recording it. I guess I could use a selfie stick or something, but this is my life. This is welcome. So yeah, we're gonna be traveling around Mexico this winter, maybe head up to the US in the spring. I don't know, we'll just have to see how everything goes with COVID and just with how the world is doing and all that kind of stuff. So, but I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the cost of getting started in van life. So, of course, it can be however expensive or however cheap that you want for your lifestyle, because this is going to be your life. But for me, this van cost me a little more than $3,000. I mean, I bought it here in Mexico, so it was in pesos, of course, but I think it was like 3,100 or 3,300, something like that. The registration, which I thought was for the full year and I paid for in November, it turns out it's by calendar year. So it was, to register it and put the license plates on, it was about $250. I used a gestor to do that paperwork. It could be cheaper if you do it yourself. It can be more expensive if you use an English-speaking gestor. And then I need to renew. I found out it's by calendar year, so I need to renew the tarjeta de circulación, which is kind of like the proof that the registration is current. So that's going to cost $75 to have the gestor do it for me and mail it to me by FedEx. Kids, hey, Risa, Monty, hey, can you take a break? Hey. Okay, so insurance I just paid. It took like a month to figure out the insurance, which was insane. It shouldn't take that long. But it was just complicated because I don't have a Mexican bank account, so it was complicated finding out a way to pay it. Insurance ended up costing me a little less than $300 for a year. If I want to take the van to Mexico, then to the US, then I'll need to get an additional insurance policy for that. I'm probably gonna buy renter's insurance to cover my stuff, but yeah. So for right now, $3,000. So yeah, we're a little under $4,000, and I think I spent about $200 or so on just some things for the van, like Chico, like this container, this, well, you can't even see it, but this like cubby behind me, the comforter, the foam mattress pad that they shredded up, the cooler, yeah, like a little vacuum, a few things like that. And then the generator was really expensive. It was almost $700. They are a lot cheaper for the exact same thing in the US, but for some reason in Mexico, they are really expensive. So yeah, it probably cost me a little under $5,000 to do everything I need to do to get started in the van. And this is very basic. Like, I don't have a kitchen, I don't have a sink. Yeah, it is what it is. But here in Mexico, like, you don't really need that kind of stuff. You can get tacos and street food all the time. Like, I just got back from the convenience store getting a hot chocolate and some snacks. So yeah, hopefully you can hear me over all the dog noises, but this is my real life, guys. I mean, I'm not pretending to be anything that I'm not. This is how it really is here. There's dog growling, there is a mess, there is a small space. It's, this is my life. I will be very curious to see how it goes over the coming weeks/months. I'm sure that I will get into even more routines, and I'm sure that maybe I will feel differently or have a different perspective or just feel like I have a better handle on it. But I think honestly it's been really challenging with all these animals. So I'm going to try to find homes for these foster animals that I have. I think that'll make things a lot easier for me. I'm also finding that spending time outside of the van by myself each day has been really, really key for my just peace of mind and mental health. So whether that's just sitting outside while the generator is running and charging my electronics and working out there, hanging out with the cats, or like going to get something to eat, eating at the park, like just hanging out by myself for a little bit and coming back. It's just a small space. There are a lot of beings in here and it's a lot. So that's not going to be necessarily the case for everyone, because not everyone's going to have so many animals in their van. But this is me. This is how I'm choosing to do Van Life Mexico. As much as they annoy me sometimes, I do love them dearly. I do love having them here for company, for protection, to get me out and exercise. Like, I meet so many people when I'm out walking the dogs. So yeah, it's been great. I don't have any kind of safe for my valuables, so I've kind of found some secret little spots around the van where I can hide stuff sneakily, like valuable stuff. And we'll just have to see how that goes. But yeah, this is my setup. This is me and Marshmallow and the animals. Welcome, and I'll be bringing you guys along for the adventure. So if you have any questions about how much it costs or anything to do with the van, feel free to drop those below, and I'd love to see you on a future adventure in van life. So be sure to like and subscribe, and have a great day, guys. Bye. Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop us a like, leave a comment below, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you'll be in the loop for all of our future videos. Can't wait to share our adventures with you. See you in the next one.